Hey guys, welcome back to my next book preview video. This week we have Frank Cho Women, Selected Drawings and Illustrations. So this is actually quite an old book now, but a quick look at the front and back there before we dive straight into this one. So you can see there it actually says this is a collection of highlights from sketchbook 1 and 2. Obviously this is his book full of drawing women, as the cover suggests. And I'm just going to stick something under the back of the cover there, because when this book is flat, it's very glossy and it's very difficult to see with my lighting. So we'll just glance through this one. Hopefully that's still okay for focus. You can see from the get-go we've got some rough pencil work followed by the inked version. That's quite a consistent theme throughout Frank Cho's books. And they are absolutely amazing. You can tell right off the bat, if you're a fan of Frank Cho's work, you will love this book, assuming you like his pin-up work. There is a little bit of nudity throughout, just in case you need a warning for that. I will have to censor the majority of it, just to be on the safe side, because YouTube's rules are always a little bit unclear, and I don't want my channel to be removed. So a lot of you Frank Cho fans will actually know his work better than me. You'll probably know some of these characters more than I will. He does have a lot of sort of superhero characters, well-known Marvel characters. He's got a lot of dinosaur sketches actually. Pin-ups revolving around the dinosaur theme. I think it's maybe Jungle Girl or something similar, his character. So we've got more characters there. I think that some of them might be DC and some of them Marvel. I'm not too knowledgeable with my superheroes. Oh yeah, Jungle Girls. I did get it right. So as mentioned earlier, it is an older book now, but it's really cheap to buy actually. So I'll stick a link in the description box below. I was really surprised just by how cheap it was, especially considering this is Select Drawings Women Book 1, but there's also a Book 2, which I do not own currently, but the price of that one seems to be a lot higher for some reason. I'm not really sure why. I think though, from when I've looked at book previews online and from things I've found, it seems to have more colour in the second book. So if you're not too fussed about just black and white inked and sketching, which is my preference, then you may prefer book 2. But I haven't come across that at a good price yet. And from what I could see, I actually prefer the illustrations and sketches in this first book instead. But again, that's going to be personal preference. I do think that the content in his books is absolutely awesome though. And Liberty Meadows, I think this is like a comic book or graphic novel that he did at one stage. But before I get any further, I'll just quickly show you some other books by Frank Cho. I'll just show you the covers. So Drawing Beautiful Women, as it suggests, it's a similar kind of book, but goes into a little bit of detail of, well, Frank's workflow, I guess. Apes and Babes, this one has a lot more colour drawings. It's quite a good book, actually. Obviously, it's not just women in this one. This has his full range, and I think it has a lot of superhero stuff in that one. And Ballpoint Beauties. This one, as you can guess, is another drawing of his women, using specifically ballpoint pen. He's incredible with a ballpoint pen. I do have a book preview of that one already, so definitely check that out. I'll put a link in the description box below again. It's awesome. Again, I had to censor quite a lot of that book from memory. So Liberty Meadows is not a comic book that I've ever read, or a graphic novel, whatever you call it, but I'm only familiar with it because a lot of Frank's books, reference Liberty Meadows or have this character from Liberty Meadows. But it's still cool to see some of the artwork from it. Again though, out of all of his pin-ups, all of his work, the Liberty Meadows, seeing as I'm not familiar with it, it's not really my favourite content of the book. I much prefer the sort of Jungle Girl ones, superhero ones, but again, it's just personal preference. Some design notes there as well, which is pretty cool, especially getting any insight into how he draws his women, if you like the way that he draws them. But obviously that is just a one-off in this book, there isn't really more. If you did want more insights though, you would be better off with the book that I showed earlier on screen, Drawing Women, the Frank Cho way. But I think you guys can see that this stuff is just really well drawn. His sketching, his inking, absolutely phenomenal. I'm not huge on his colour work. I don't know if it's him that colours it or if it's someone else, but I think he is such an incredible artist. And if you guys are interested in seeing any of those other books as preview videos that I just showed on camera, do let me know. And this last section here I've just been through, really cool section, but in all honesty, there's a lot of nudes. Every single page had nudes on it, so for the sake of YouTube, unfortunately, I'm not going to show that. And I have a feeling that the fine art nudes, as the name suggests, might also include a lot of nudes. Although it's covered, so we can show some of it. Frank Cho actually has quite a lot of art books now, and one of my only issues is there is an awful lot of overlap in each book, so it's very difficult when you're buying a book to know if you already own most of that artwork, especially if you've got quite a few of his books. I'm going to leave it at that though, guys. Hopefully you found this video useful, especially if you were looking at buying this book. It's always nice to know roughly what's inside first. So don't forget to check out some of my other book videos, including some of the Frank Cho ones. I've got absolutely tons of art books now in my playlist. You will definitely find some that you love in there. And as always, if you did enjoy this video, please do subscribe to the channel. It really helps me out a lot. Hit that thumbs up button and of course, switch your notifications on for future content. Thanks so much for watching, everyone.